Eric 916, muscle up. You're tuned into my car channel, and this is where I talk about nothing but cars. We're about to take a stroll through Toy Barn out here in Cave Creek, Arizona, and check out their cars. It's like a nice turnout this morning. Lots of Corvettes. Oh, this is pretty. Beautiful Ferrari. What is this? An F8 Spider? Man, that thing is clean. Beautiful spec on it. Matte black. Yeah, he's got some nice cars in his garage. A Cobra. He's got a Countach back there. Targa. The STO. Yeah, very nice car collection. One, the big boy. Porsche C8. Got a beautiful 427 classic Corvette. C2. This thing is clean. I think it's a beast.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah,
I think it's clean.
Classic car dealer. He sold it. 6 months later, he sold another car with a similar.
Wow. It's all original too. It looks like it. Beautiful spec here. These were rally monsters back in the day. The old Quattros. Man, you don't see these too often. Classic styling in this thing. Look at that. Turbo. Such a cool car. Wow. Audi Quattro. Cadillac.
There you go. There you go.
Hey,
there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. That's the one.
Look at that thing. Man, this is classic. And it looks like it's got the original motor in it too. Man. Pretty lines on this. Look at this. 59. Wow. Now look at the chrome on this. Beautiful. Good morning. A beautiful truck right here. It's got a classic Benz up there too. That's a clean Benz. Look at that. Beautiful. Like a 280 F coupe? Convertible. 220. Clean. They got a BMW 3.0. That wood and leather. Clean Porsche Speedster. You remember this in was it a 48 Hours, Eddie Murphy? And this one has, it looked like it's got the Subaru. So he's got all the modern amenities, AC, everything in here. Yeah. Probably got 200, maybe 200 something horsepower. I think the Subaru has a little bump up. It's clean. I wonder how it drives. It's got to be a blast to drive this thing. Classic styling. Here. Classic 911 Targa.
Oh, okay.
And you got the Carrera RS. Oh, this one up here is badass. This is clean. RSS. And beautiful. Oh, look at the seats and interior in this. Double sport. It's a beautiful spec. Beautiful spec, man. Silver and red pops. There's got a speedster over here too. It looks like it's a real one too. Yeah. Clean. Another 356. This looks pretty original too. Pretty car, clean. Great body lines. Got a monster Ferrari over here. I'm not sure which model this is. F12. I'm not really hip on my Ferraris, but I know the F12's a monster. V12 power. Let's take a peek on what the interior in this thing looks like. Oh, it's got that chocolate, pretty interior. Carbon fiber accents. The F12. Man, that white with the head off, I don't know if that turquoise 230 SL. That's probably, I don't know what is it, a 68? Probably a, what is it, probably a 6-cylinder? That's classic though. Oh, look at that glass. How you doing? Clean. Got a, look like a super performance Cobra. Supercharged. How you doing? Good. Your Cobra?
Yeah.
What motor you have in it?
302.
302 supercharged?
Yep.
What do you have? Is it Paxton or is it
Vortec.
Vortec? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's an older car. I mean, it's 20 years old.
It's clean. Classic from Bad Boys.
It's plenty of power.
Yeah, well, this car's pretty light too. What does it weigh like? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, you don't have to put too much behind this.
I don't know why I take these off. I thought they were moving the hood. I didn't know if this dimension was right, you know, and it would push, but I just never clip it back on again.
302, yeah, that's a.
Yeah, I didn't build this car. I did build one years ago, but not this one. It's a mess. This car. It's all joshed.
Do you drive it pretty often?
I drive it a couple times a week.
Love that interior and the stitching with the blue. This guy said he's the blue man. Pretty car. Clean Spider, you guys. Yes. T-Bird. Man, gangster mobile right here. It's a big boy. You guys remember this back in the day? If you was a mobster, Harlem gangster, PIM pimp, T-Bird.
The weight in here.
Oh.
Man, we hit something hard. I don't know what it was really, but
What are you sitting on coilovers?
oh man, that looks like it's probably training we're hitting. I only got about 2 inches of it.
That pan kind of dips down a little bit.
Well, yeah. You know, they got it down low here, which makes it low on the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Your clearance on the bottom is like pretty low.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
It's clean. Super Sport. Nova 67. That thing is sitting. Five speed, probably got the Tremec in it. Clean car. Says built out of Ohio. Man, I can't wait to get my car back and start hitting some car shows, you guys. Cars and Coffee. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the channel. Let me know what your favorite car was, and stay tuned for the next video. It will be going down real soon. The Chevelle is getting close. I keep saying that, man, but it's getting close, and the Porsche will be home soon too. So hey man, a lot of car content coming up and you don't want to miss out. Make sure you hit that notification button. Big Herc 916.
You tired of smelling funky? Have you washed your ass? Go to BigHerc916.com and get to Nutsack Run.